Hi Alex, good morning. Here with Lululemon, one of the best stock market performers in 2018. And if you want to know why this is happening, you have an article on the blog of the company. I remind you, Lululemon new all-time highs, $96 plus today. When people they ask me whether those plans that they don't receive artificially intelligent trade alerts as the bot 0 or the bot 1, whether they have access to trade alerts or to recommendations. Obviously they have, not only they had recommendations in the company that you have in the service, as well as you have a clear recommendation in Lululemon. Okay, so this is one of the examples because there are many. Okay, for example, I'm going to refer on the short side to the case of Riot that we said when the share price was $45.63, this is worth single digits. This is other example. So you have peaks on the short side, you have peaks on the long side with clear price targets as well. Okay, the case of Riot. The case of Lululemon, I would like to congratulate everyone who wanted to participate, obviously also in these programs. If you wanted to know more or to continue, and by the way, the profits are absolutely unbelievable, you just have to look at the chart in Lululemon. But what I'm going to do here is for those that they are non-subscribers, as an example, you have here the article on the blog of the company, you have the date also, okay? So you just have to visit the blog, and the title is Investing in Lululemon Poised for Double-Digit Growth, okay? It does not say negative growth, it does not say single-digit, double-digit growth, okay? It's very clear. Then you have to read it, okay? My comments here, a reference to, for example, Seeking Alpha, a scam that I refer to repeatedly and proving it throughout the years. In fact, since Seeking Alpha exists, I remind you that Seeking Alpha is precisely the website in the US that said that Amazon at $100 it was one of the best-selling short opportunities in the markets, and still people today with Amazon at 1,550 they still believe it. Okay, you just have to refer to my previous lessons with regards to this matter, naming the scammer that is one of the authors in Seeking Alpha, just to give an example because there are hundreds. Lululemon is the next Foot Locker earnings crash. Okay, so you have to refer to one of the scammers, Americans obviously, writing on Seeking Alpha saying that Lululemon was going to crash. So since he said that Lululemon was going to crash, Lululemon rallied to new all-time highs. I mean, you just have to refer to the principles Einstein riddle that you have also exercises, investment lessons on the blog of the company explaining how does it work. Okay, so you have also to refer here, this is one of the videos on the YouTube, Lululemon at $72, so all of you had plenty of time to invest in Lululemon, and subscribe if you wanted to subscribe. Okay, so this article is from December, and you have also a review. December 6, you have it here, December 6, 2017, okay? So going back to the chart here, this December, even if you are not a subscriber, my friends, today you are a multimillionaire unless you are a complete moron and you are listening to or following the advice of American scammers on seekingalpha.com or Wall Street, my friends, because Wall Street, I remind you that we also predicted the crash in Lululemon before, okay? So Wall Street was bullish at the top, it crashed. Then came Seeking Alpha, the American, saying now it is going to crash, is the next Foot Locker, and Lululemon exponential rally to new all-time highs. All right. So once they start, buying, you sell. When they are saying it is coming the crash, you are covering your shorts with multi-year profits, and you are buying the most because then they are going to cover at new all-time highs, as precisely they are doing it today. And with this, I terminate. Congratulations. And you have it here. The truth since the very beginning. This sentence. Invest in Lululemon for over a decade. Zero losses, 100%. Real time. trade signals, okay? So then I invite you to visit the website of the company that you have here. I don't know, there are many. Just to give an example, let me see if I find here. I have here many. You have the, to show you here, the blog, okay? So this is wonderful for you to follow up, even those that they don't know, for example, how to predict stock prices. You have it here, live on Periscope for free. Just an example, okay? There are plenty here, live market calls on Tesla, Netflix, ahead of earnings. You have everything, continuously for 30 years. We have been in the markets for 30 years. If you want to subscribe, just click on subscribe and you have here, okay? So take advantage while some prices, they are still at promotional because they can double anytime. Thank you. Bye.